Since 2009, it's been an upward trend. Each year, Regina taxpayers asked to pitch in a little bit more for municipal services.
And on February 27th, City Council will decide whether to go ahead with another nearly 5% mill rate hike.
Jessica Smith with reaction to this year's proposed budget.
Many residents in Regina are still reeling after last year's 6.49% property tax increase. And now, residents may have to brace for another hit to their pocketbooks. City Council will soon debate and vote on a budget that would see another 4.86% property tax hike. If approved, the average homeowner could expect to pay an extra $100. The Canadian Taxpayers Federation says this trend of raising taxes, it's just not sustainable for residents.
A lot of folks are still struggling in Regina, dealing with some economic struggles. We can't keep going to the well and asking folks who have less money to give more money.
MacKay believes City Council is doing its best to find efficiencies, but that's just not enough with the overall cost of living in the city.
There's a limited amount of money there. Some more of these hard decisions need to be made at around the council table. They've made some of them, and that's good. They deserve credit for that. They need to make more of them because they can't keep putting pressure on families in Regina.
An increase would not only affect homeowners, but local businesses as well.
There's challenges related to sort of increased PST depending on the business and how that impacts you. And then, of course, property tax increases. I mean, it's all of these things together that make it more and more challenging.
If City Council says yes, this would be the second highest tax increase in the past decade, second only to last year's record hike. Begging the question, could you afford to find the extra coin so soon after the last hit?
Definitely not. When you look at the cost of food already, it's ridiculous. Nobody has that extra money.
How come more people come in, but my taxes keep going up? So I'm trying to figure out how that all equals out.
Close to 2/3 of Canadian families are living from paycheck to paycheck, right at the edge of their ability. So something of this nature is quite a shock to their budget.
City Council will vote on the proposed budget and tax hike at the end of the month. Jessica Smith, CTV News, Regina.